Alright, this is just going to be a remake video, a yearly remake. This is a 42-inch Encon Princess. This is the same fan that I showed last year at that bed and breakfast. We stayed at the same room. If I had to guess, this one's probably from the really late 90s. I don't know an exact year, but I know it is definitely in 90s or early 2000s. It is an Encon version. Let's turn this light. It is Encon. And it's not the Westinghouse version. I know that they look similar, but definitely that's an Encon. So I guess I will go, oh wait, let me show you the top of the blades before I do this. It's pretty wobbly. Let's see that. There's the top of the blades, they're very dusty. But I'm sure this fan gets used a lot, so it doesn't surprise me. And the weird thing is that there's a switch right here, but the fan is unaffected by the operation, so this fan can be on high and the light be off. But we'll go ahead and start off on low first. And that squeak that you heard before, when I was pulling the chain, that is actually a, I don't know if that's a set screw moving or what, but that was not, it jerked a little bit. That's why it squeaked. I noticed it got a little bit noisier from last year. Oops. Put it on medium. You can't really tell in the camera, but it's really wobbly on high. And here's high. And that's light. And see, you can run this with or without the light. And the fan be completely unaffected. See if I can get a startup sound. I really do like these fans. I think I like that the motor housing is actually exposed. I think that's just a cool design. I'll see if I can get that, no, it doesn't have a startup sound actually. I thought it did, but I must have been hearing something else. So that is the 42-inch Encon Princess remake video on the bed and breakfast. Thank you for watching.